In today's episode, I am going to flip this curbside free dresser find into a beautiful buffet that I can use in my dining room. I hope you enjoy this video. Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. I paid about $10 for this about 7 years ago. I'm sure the price has gone up, and I already had the Kills chalk paint for a previous project. So my goal with this paint technique on top is I hope that it'll just kind of skip along and almost look worn off, and I'll still leave some of the wood showing. I don't know if it'll work or not. I'll probably screw it up somehow and have to cover the whole thing, which is okay with me. My whole debate is, do I paint it all black? Do I leave the drawers wood? I really do like the look of the drawers. The rest of it kind of looks cheap to me, and as you can see, the top is pretty worn out. So I'm gonna start with this minimal paint on top and just kind of slide it around, see what happens. Oh, good gravy. I just looked over and realized I forgot to paint the stripes in the bottom drawers. The bottom drawers are extra deep, so the stripe is built in. In the meantime, I took the original hardware from this dresser and I used this paint to dry brush over each handle, and it kind of just brightened them up. Here it is, one done and one not. Alrighty, I have a whole coat on the whole thing. Shoot, it's so early in the morning. I have a coat of wax on this whole piece. I'm letting it kind of soak in. It's recommended 10-15 minutes. I've let it go for an hour before. But I'm going to let that go. It's stinky. I got the windows open. But as soon as you wipe it off, it smells fine. So I'm going to give it about 15-20 minutes, and I'll show it to you when it's all buffed off. I also have done the drawers. I did the last ones last night, the big ones, because I had paint on them. And I waxed these two top ones, and I'll be wiping that off shortly, too. See you on the junk side.